Murugan. Today I am going to talk about microorganisms. Do you know what is microorganisms? Microorganism means micro plus organism. Micro means tiny. Organism means living things. Microorganism means tiny living things that we can't see with our naked eyes. There are 5 types of microorganism. First, fungi. Fungi can be found on air, water, soil and on other living things. Fungi live by decomposing or breaking down the objects they live on. The decomposed matter is to absorb the nutrients. Fungi reproduce by producing spores. The examples of fungi are rhizospores or mold, penicillium and yeast. Next, bacteria. There are many shapes of bacteria. Example, rod and spiral form. Bacteria has good bacteria and bad bacteria. Bacteria can be found on air, water, soil and on other living things such as humans, plants and animals. The examples of bacteria are Spirillum, Streptococcus, Escherichia coli and Salmonella. Next, algae. Algae is the most easiest microorganism. Algae has the characteristic of plants. They have chlorophyll to make the process of own food, which is photosynthesis. The examples of algae are Chlorella, Volvox and Chlamydomonas. Next, this microorganism has the characteristic of animals. Guess what's the microorganism? Yes, it is protozoa. Protozoa has the characteristic of animals because it can move and find food. Protozoa can be found on water regions such as pond, lakes and river, but not in big water regions such as beach and sea. The examples of protozoa are Paramecium and amoeba. The last but not least microorganism, which is the most harmful and dangerous microorganism. Do you know what is it? Yes, it is virus. Virus is the most dangerous and harmful microorganism. Viruses is the smallest microorganism. Virus live inside the living things. Virus can only be seen with electron microscopes. Examples of viruses are bacteriophage, H1N1, HIV and Zika virus. Zika virus is formed from Aedes mosquitoes. Next, I am going to talk about some experiments. The first experiment is you can take a bread and you can sprinkle water and keep it in a Ziploc bag. You may observe for 1 week and the bread will have a lot of mold, which is called as fungi, rhizospores. This experiment proves that microorganisms can grow. Next, you may take some water samples and observe it in the microscope. When you observe, you can see microorganism is moving. This is the proof that microorganism can move. Next, you may use yeast and flour with a balloon on top of a plastic bottle, and you can see that the balloon will expand. That is a proof of microorganism can breathe. And even microorganism can reproduce because don't you remember fungi can reproduce by producing spores. That is all from me. The conclusion of microorganisms are microorganism can breathe, can grow, can move and can reproduce. Thank you. Oh yeah, I would like to add one more point here. If you eat a food that microorganism had grown, you will get some symptoms such as stomach pain, vomiting and diarrhea. I hope you enjoy my presentation and I hope you have learned some general knowledge from my presentation. Thank you. Do you know what is microorganism? Microorganism means Hi everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Yeshmitha Murugan. Today I am going to talk about microorganism. Do you know what is microorganism? Microorganism.
I don't want to take video.
Okay, can we do last chance? Hi everyone. Oh yeah, I would like to add one more point here. If you eat a food that microorganism had grown, you will get stomach pain, vomiting and diarrhea. Thank you. No. Sorry. Oh yeah, I would like to add one more point. Okay.